Hey guys, Brian here from Solid Woodworks. Today I want to show you my most recent build in a Scion Xb. Customer brought me this little Scion. Pretty cool little car. A lot of people have them nowadays and they're pretty efficient. So he wanted to create it into a little camper of his own so he can do some road trip in this summer. And this is his design mixed together with some of my ideas that we came up with here. First things first, back here, super simple drawer with a hitch pin in it. Slide it out, put the hitch pin back in, and your drawer is now secure, so it's not sliding back and forth if you're on a hill or anything. One of my classic false tops in here, as well as another removable divider to divide your food, drinks, any kind of storage you put in there. Super simple. Pull the pin out just a bit, let the drawer slide back in, put the pin back in. Right here, which is going to be his little kind of sleeping area, which I'll show you in a second. He wanted a bunch of storage underneath, so you can put a couple backpacks down there, extra supplies. Coming around to this side, we wanted to have this kind of closet area in here, so a couple nice openings here, so you can actually put his clothes, different things like that in there. Magnetic catches, so the door stays shut while driving, of course. Right here, obviously another massive storage area for other things needed to get to. Finish this little section right here with a just a little kind of quick access spot right there. Everything he wanted to have pretty simple and pretty easy to access, and just kind of nothing too crazy that would be complicated to get to, and kind of more of a budget build. So the wood that was used in this was Luan, which is a lightweight plywood, about 30% lighter than most plywoods. And I would probably imagine this entire kind of system right here weighs maybe under 200 pounds, I would imagine. So since he has removed like the spare tire area and the back seats and stuff, I wouldn't think that this car would weigh much more than what it did with the back seats and those things in it. Obviously, back seats, if they have passengers in there, then that adds another couple hundred pounds. So some people have been kind of worried about how heavy some of these builds are, but not really that heavy. The wood that I use is pretty light, and I try to use some 1/2 inch where I can. Of course. So the last little thing I wanted to show you as well was this little section here, that once you fold the front seat forward, you can see that lifts up and clicks into place. Now that creates a massive area in here for sleeping. By massive, I mean more so long. It's about 5'4", and see, it's about 2 foot wide. So perfect for one person getting out and about and trying to do a little bit of camping this summer. Already have their own vehicle and they don't want to spend a bunch of money on a truck or a van or something like that. And still obviously usable for everyday use with the 2 front seats and whatnot. So I just wanted to show you that little build. Pretty cool, something a little bit different. Haven't done a Scion build before. I have definitely had a couple inquiries about it, so it's a pretty simple setup, and I think it'll work out really well. He's going to be here in a couple minutes picking it up, so hopefully he's happy. Thanks for watching this time. Look in the description below for any items used in this build. Links to a couple different hinges or different hardware I've used before, and there's also a couple links in there to certain companies I work with that have discount codes on some products that I use as well. So thanks for watching. If you have some questions, please send me an email, solidwoodworks@gmail.com, and see you in the next build.